morning, hello to you, my relatives, and welcome once again to the Tipi. We are into week 2 of the quarantine, and we hope you are staying safe, washing your hands, and staying safe. Did I say that already? Anyways, okay, because of that, supplies might be getting low because of all of those hoarders out there and those people that are buying up all the canned goods and the rice and the beans and the flour. Oh, the love of humanity. How will I get my fry bread? Okay, but anyway, today, to help you stay safe and healthy, I am going to teach you how to make a quarantini. A friend of mine on Facebook, she was having, this was way before the quarantine, the lockdown here happened in Los Angeles, and she said they had vodka, they had Emergen-C, so they were making quarantinis. So thank you, Erica, for that. Here's how we are going to make it. Because you go to the grocery store and there's not a lot out on the shelves, we had to substitute. We could not use Emergen-C. We had to use Ener-C, which, it still cost me 59 cents, so probably the knockoff version of Emergen-C. But there's still 1,000 micrograms of vitamin C, which is good. It's good anytime, but especially now because, with colds and stuff and, the coronavirus. So, okay, get a package of your Ener-C or Emergen-C or whatever your little vitamin thing is. We've had to break down and take our little bottles. It's rough out there, I'm just saying. So, okay, we're going to take our shaker. We have fancy ice cubes. Ooh, gosh, clean the floor. Pop your little ice cubes out. Oh, they're not clinky like I was hoping for. Another one. Another one. Boop. Okay. Take your vodka, your gin, your water, however you want to do this. Listen to that. Oh. Empty. Boop, 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 boop. Take our Ener-C. We're going to just clip the little corner here. Put that in there. All right. Pop the top. Oof, strong stuff. Ooh, I hope I clean this. And then shake. Oof. Make sure the lid is on tight because I just made a mess. Holy crap, okay. Oh, that's scary too. And we are preppers here, so we don't have a lot of fancy martini glasses. We drink out of, this is a baby mason jar. So our glasses are baby mason jars, bigger mason jars, or even bigger mason jars. Those are our glasses. So anyway, so then you pour. And there you have it, a quarantini. That's the stuff. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. I'm really wet now and full of quarantini. Okay. We are going to tell you a word of the day. Let's get comfy for that. Our word of the day today is going to be taken out of this book. Talking Gookum's Language, Learning Ojibway by Patricia M. Ningwants. I apologize if I totally butchered your name, which I probably did. It has a lot of real world, everything is real world, right? But actual situational things as opposed to this book that just gives you is just a dictionary, right? This is more conversational. They have lessons on friends, at home, washing clothes, doing housework. We're going to focus on lesson 13, the hospital, which let's slow our roll. We don't want to really, have to. These are emergency words, right? So you're in the waiting room, you have your mask on, or do you? Oh, you can't even be in the waiting room. This is not going well. Our phrase, our word is going to be Ajani Gigi Wabamig Mashkiki Winini. You got that? Ajana Gigi Wabamig Mashkiki Winini. That means, did the doctor see you already? Did the doctor see you already? I think the Quarantini is getting to me. Woo woo. Just so you know, it was just water. Okay, so our word of the day is, did the doctor see you already? Ajana Gigi Wabamig Mashkiki Wanini. Go out there! Hopefully you don't have to use that, but practice it just in case. And remember, wash your hands, eh? Yeah, thanks for watching. And stay safe out there, eh? Remember, you are the beads on my moccasins, the grease on my fry bread, and the cash in my casino miigwich. Oh, I almost forgot. Forgot to share with you this week's earrings. I know you can't see them behind my barricade, but here's a closer look. Look at these beauts. What? They are pretty, pretty. They are Raven Bead Creations. Check her out. I bought these off of Instagram. These are from Instagram. They're pretty. I like them. Let's just hang that there. Boop. Those are this week's earrings. Okay, that's it.